In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Indeed application so you can keep your job search dashboard clean and organized. We'll go step by step through the process on your Indeed account, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on your screen. Let's start from your main Indeed home dashboard. Once you're signed into your account, you'll usually land on a page that shows job recommendations and search options. From here, your goal is to get to the section where Indeed keeps track of everything you've saved or applied to. On the top of the page, or sometimes in a menu depending on your device, look for the option labeled My Jobs. This is the central place where Indeed stores your saved jobs and your applications. Go ahead and click or tap on My Jobs to open that page. If you don't see it immediately, check for a menu icon or your profile icon, then look carefully through the drop-down options until you find it. But once the My Jobs page opens, you'll see that it's divided into different tabs. One of these tabs is called Applied. This is where Indeed lists the jobs you've already applied to using your account. Click or tap on the Applied tab to bring up your application history. It may take a moment to load if you've applied to a lot of positions. Now you should see a list of the jobs you've applied for, each shown as its own entry with the job title, company, and sometimes the date you applied. To manage or remove an application, start by selecting the specific job entry you want to work with. Click or tap on that job in the list. This will either expand more details directly on the page or take you to a separate screen with information about that application. Once you've opened the job entry, look for options that let you manage or change its status. Depending on the version of Indeed you're using, you may see an option to remove the job from your list, to archive it, or something similar. If you see a remove option, choose that to delete the application entry from your My Jobs applied list. This won't undo the fact that you applied to the job in the past, but it will clear it out of your dashboard so it's no longer visible there. In some cases, you might not see a direct remove button, but instead an option to archive the job. If that's what appears, select the archive option. Archiving moves the application out of your main applied view and into an archived area, which helps keep your active list clean while still allowing you to find that record later if you need to review it. Think of it as putting old applications into storage rather than deleting them completely. Repeat this process for each application you want to clean up. Return to the Applied tab, select the job entry, then remove or archive it if that option is available. Take your time and review each listing so you only remove the ones you're sure you no longer need in your active view. By using the My Jobs page, opening the Applied tab, selecting each job entry, and then removing or archiving it, you can quickly organize your Indeed applications and make it easier to focus on the opportunities that matter most right now.